Right, service to Stoke City is the next award. It's sponsored by At The Scaffolding. And to present the award for this, we've got a Hollywood star. You might have seen him in Captain America. He was Dobby, of course, in Harry Potter, somebody just said down there. And he was in Marvellous, which was one of the biggest things on TV last year. Please welcome to the stage, Toby Jones.
Hello, good evening. It's great to be back in Stoke again. I was here last spring shooting Marvellous, and it's gone down so well. And wherever we go, the director, the writer Peter Bowker, and everyone says just how welcome we were made here in Stoke. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the support you gave us for the project and everything. So thanks very much indeed. But perhaps the single most important part of Marvellous was its subject, and he has won the Services to Stoke City Award. Please would you welcome the legend that is Nello Baldwin.
Hello.
I would like to say thank you very much. This film has been the best film ever made. And especially on Toby, the best actor in England, I think. But I would like to thank everybody who's come tonight, because I'm out tomorrow night again. I'm at Sir Stanley Matthews' 100th big day tomorrow. And it's lovely to have people from Chesterton, Jackie Trent, Mike Pedgick, but the famous one of all is me. And I would like to thank the poor veiled chap who came on the stage tonight. I hope he gets better. And what I said in my film, always try to be happy. Because if you're not happy, you're miserable. And there's too many miserable people in this world of ours. And I'll be very happy this year when we get rid of David Cameron. Because he's never made a Prime Minister. The best Prime Minister the Tories had was Winston Churchill, nobody else. So get voting, Labour, please. Or I might get up and be Prime Minister. I'll be a better one than David Cameron in any case. Because people are suffering in the NHS, and it's a disgrace to this country. Last week, I had a lovely letter of Her Majesty the Queen, Prince William and Prince Harry. But I never forget when I went to Glasgow this year, that Susan Boyle said, I've seen your film, so can I have a kiss of you? But I've got my assistant manager and my football team up there. So far we've played 6, won 3, lost 2 and drawn 1. And this year we've got plenty of games with non-league clubs. And last year we made £470 for charity. And that charity went to a children's ward at the hospital. So give your money to charity every time. Thank you.
No, thank you. Get off your sticks, come on. We love you. How proud are you of us Stoke on Trent right now? How proud are you? Nello and Toby Jones, what about that? I wasn't expecting that, were you?